What's up, everybody? I am exhausted and I'm back with another tool deals video. First up, before we get into the deals, I just want to say that today is the last day to register. I extended it one day. Last day to register for the raffle, where you get to choose from one of these awesome, sawsome t-shirts right here. The raffle form is in the description below. I was on a roll too. So go ahead and sign up for that if you want your chance at a free t-shirt. All it requires is your simple subscription. Now, on to the deal. So, Home Depot has a special buy of the day going on today. I would say maybe 35% of the deals today come from this. Let's just go ahead and get into it. I already pick and chose the ones that I thought were good, but you guys can go ahead and go through there. So I'll leave a link to this so you can go ahead and check it out yourself. I would say avoid pretty much all of the DeWalt stuff, because these DeWalt deals are like boo-boo. They have like a good tool right here and mixed with the boo-boo tool, and I don't like that. Like, there are times past you could get two good tools for $169. So they basically inflated the price $80 and giving you less. Same for over here. There's like an XR oscillating tool in there, but their base model angle grinder. They have this flashlight. This fan that is the newer one that is not a hybrid. It's not a XR reciprocating saw. It's not an XR drill. I wouldn't do this. $6.99. They are insane. So let's move on to the good stuff. So first up, we have this Ryobi brad nailer and router for $169, which is on a special buy. And then we have this Ryobi brushless brad nailer and jigsaw, and there are several combinations of this deal here. If we come back over to the special buy page, we scroll down, we see you can choose from an oscillating tool or this jigsaw. And I just want to know who in their right mind going to get this brush one. Now, I don't have either one of these brad nailers, so maybe the brush one's better. But you guys, let us know who have used this. Let us know your experience in the comments below. For the same price, I'd obviously go for the brushless one and call it a day. But if you really want this fixed base router, there you go. All right, moving on. We have this plunge saw, $69 here. I thought this was a kit, but it's not. It's a tool only. But you're still getting some nice blades. You get a diamond blade in there. You get some nice little things in this kit. Just be mindful. It's easier to find 3 3/8 inch discs than it is 3-inch discs for like the cutoff tools. So, because you could basically use the cutoff tool the same way. I do. So there you go, though. But this is $69. So there you go. Have that. Moving on, we have this brushless right angle drill, and it's a whole kit for $99. Now, this right angle drill actually did really good in Project Farm's testing, mainly because of the 2-speed transmission. So yeah, this actually was one of the best. He liked this, and the rigid was also a little beast. And when you come down here and look at the specs, I can't remember what the specs were. I think it was like, I want to say almost 300 inch-pounds, something crazy. Yeah, 350 inch-pounds of torque, where the Milwaukee's, all the others was like 120. It's something crazy, and it actually showed up and it performed. So this is actually not a bad deal. I remember I was raving about the Metabo HPT many months ago for $88 on Amazon, and it was tool only. Here you go. You have the whole kit with a dinky 1.5 amp hour battery, and the charger and the tool for $99. So I do like that. I just brought this up to show you what not to do. Right? Don't buy this. The stroke is too short. I just don't get this at all. The stroke is only 5/8 of an inch. You want something closer, as close to an inch as possible, and you can do better. So $99 is not bad, but I'm about to show you something even better. Well, the same. Okay, I'm gonna show you something the same. We'll get to that towards the end. All right, next up, this little deal is back again. If you guys want to try your hand, this special buy, it ends in 5 days, so it's a special buy of the week. So you have the same weak impact wrench with a big chunky 4 amp hour battery and a charger, and you have a buy one get one here. So you could just choose something over here that you might actually like, or just choose the most expensive thing and only pick up, or only keep the Ryobi impact wrench over here. I do like this light. It's a hybrid work light, so you can run off batteries or plug it in. And I also like, if you want to just really bring down the price, well, I also like this this ratchet too, this 3/8 inch ratchet. So if you wanted to just keep both, you can get this and then get that. That'll be a nice little combo right there. And then they make everything still $99. You're basically getting everything for $50, each one for $50. Moving on, we have this fan. You guys know I love this fan. I really do. $59 for the whole kit. Really nothing else to say. Works really great. It's compact. It's very, very quiet. The Flex version of this, I didn't even make the video because the Flex one was so bad. Flex one did more like it'll charge your phone. It had more features, and it had more of a variable speed dial, but it was really, really loud. And it was more powerful, but again, it was bigger. Yeah, this was still overall better, and this was like half the price. So there you go. Here is a Ryobi. All this is brushed, oscillating tool, and an orbital sander. But of course, it's brushed. Look, it's $69 for both of these things. I wouldn't go out of my way to probably buy this, but I do like how they have the onboard tool. It's not a quick exchange like most modern oscillating tools. I'm not saying it's going to be a great tool, but I am saying it's cheap as I don't know what. At $69. So if you need something in a pinch, I don't think you could probably go too wrong with this little set right here. Now, getting on to the real good stuff. All right, so we have this deep cut bandsaw. This is Milwaukee. This thing is normally $3.99 itself. You can find it for $3.49 a lot of times. If you needed one, I think we'll see better deals coming up where you get a free tool. But this 8 amp hour battery is not anything. It's no slouch. So you get this $3.49 with an 8 amp hour battery, and I feel like with this bandsaw, that's exactly what you need, and it's a high output one. Nice little deal right there. Moving on, I have two spectacular deals. I'm about to get to them right now. Probably should have said that in the beginning of the video because half of y'all probably gone. We have this Milwaukee M12 rocket light, and we have this hacksaw. Now, again, going back to the Ryobi hacksaw, the stroke length on this one is also, I believe it's 5/8. Let's check that out real quick. See, it won't be funny and say .625. So it's saying .625 for the Milwaukee, and it's saying 5/8 for the Ryobi. It's the same, .625. Now, that's what I thought. I just need to make sure. So that's how you handle that. 5/8, 5 divided by 8 is .625. So they have the same stroke length. Why would you pay $100 for this one when you can get this one for less than $100? Because it's on a buy one, get one. So this also comes with a 4 amp hour XC battery, and it comes with this fantastic rocket light. This would be a great little setup for plumbers. When you get little hacksaws instead of one-handed reciprocating saws with short strokes, they're good for cutting pipe. And this one is super, super compact. Even though it looks the same size as like the M18 and all, it's not. It's like half the size of that other one. And then you have your rocket light right here. Produces very, very good light with a nice yellow tint. I love Milwaukee's lights. And when you add the extra gift to the cart, which is a high output 5 amp hour battery, so you might really want to consider keeping all of it, you get a total price of $186.50 for this whole bundle, which is insane because this light itself, on sale you can find it for like $159, $169. Then this is like another $129. Then you get the battery and all that. $186.50. Wonderful deal right there. Let's just do that last. The other good deal I want to show you, this popped up before, but it secretly popped up again. You have this Milwaukee Fuel impact driver, and it is the new one. This is the Gen 4, right? Or Gen 3. I'm tired, so whatever. It's the new one. And then you have this big boy angle grinder with the 6-inch angle grinder with the rapid stop technology, so it has a really good break. Ergonomics are okay. I do like Makita's better. I do like the Bosch better, but again, those not on sale today, right? $259. This itself is normally like $250. The angle grinder itself is normally like $250. You basically getting this thing for $10, and this is a fantastic impact driver. Yeah, this impact driver is wonderful. And, the angle grinder is very good, and it's a paddle shift. So there you go, paddle shift. I always say that, thinking we're not driving, Chris. So anyway, great deal here. And finally, this little rigid thing, $379. This is, you're getting a lot of tools for $379. All these tools are brushed. I don't think I'd ever buy another brushed rigid tool. But again, if this is just for somebody DIY around the house, this is going to get almost everything done. This is a full set right here. So this is not bad. It comes with 3 batteries, 2 2-amp-hour batteries, a 4-amp-hour battery. They're not the max or anything, but you don't need the max because these are all brushed tools. And that doesn't mean that they're weak. They're not weak tools. I'm sure that Impact Drivers does at least 1,500 inch-pounds or more, probably 1,800. Let's see. Yeah, 1,850 on the Impact Driver. That's good. It's just that, over time you got to change the brushes. But again, if you're doing this at home, if this is the DIY kit, you'll never have to worry about that. Plus, once you buy all these, you register them quickly as soon as you get them. You'll have a lifetime service agreement on these. And for a DIY, I think if something breaks, Rigid to take care of you for real. And that's it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. We're going to do this drawing for the free t-shirt on Friday. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, I ask that you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.